Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Might sound a little audible in here. Seems that way to me anyway. Now, this is the first real project in here, at least in the nighttime. What we have here is, it's made for a gate. I want this for my door, my side door, to lock the door. This would work just fine. I weld this straight to the frame. This gets welded to the door, but it's backwards. I need this thing to be this way. So that means this needs to be cut off, put on the bottom, this cut off and turned over, which is not that big a deal. And just looking at this, you know, it's just tack welded here, a bad tack weld there, you know, a little tack over here. So I'll beef that up. You know, didn't even bother to knock the wire off. Same with that. Yeah, so very quick to make. Very, you know, I wouldn't call it cheap or anything. It's just it could have done a lot better with this. So here's what I got to do. I'm gonna try and zip cut this off. I don't have a vise right now. It's on the list. Zip cut this off, flip it over, put it on this side. I already put the marks. Hopefully they stay. So I'm thinking I'll clamp this somehow to the workbench. Got this zip cut here, super thin cutting disc. It's not that great, I don't think. They're really easy to chip. The little pieces come flying out, which is always very nice. That'll work. Okay. Hold your ears. Cover your eyes. Now, the fun part is sticking this back on here. That's about right, huh? My ground is not working right, that's why it's sputtering so much. I got a new one ordered, but it could be weeks. Go straight. I need that. Right about there. That's it, dude. This will be welded to the door frame. This will be welded to the door all the way around. But I am going to go and beef this up, all of these up, because I think this is ridiculous. 5 more minutes. Well, there it is, guys. She's done. Should work now. Should be stronger than before, too. Alright, guys, well, there it is. The first project in the workshop at night. First time I've been in there with the lights on, so it's plenty dark outside. Alright, guys, as always, thanks for watching.